In this video, I want to take you through what you have to do to screen a potential product. Now, before you can start selling a product or start going to look for a supplier of a product, you actually need to have looked very carefully and done your homework on the product that you've decided you might want to sell. So we have gone through the process of identifying a product and we think we've come up with one. But now we really have to delve into that product to understand it before we just go and rush and have a look on Alibaba or wherever else to try and find somebody to supply that product. So the easiest way to do that is to go and find a competitor's listing on Amazon and have a detailed look at it. You want to look at the features that they're specifying. You want to look at the reviews that they've had, and you'll see in the reviews, good and bad, the features and benefits that the users of that product actually like or dislike, have found or want. So that's a great way to, if nothing else, be able to find things that you can differentiate your product on. When you've got that long list of things, you'll have to decide what's important for the product you want to sell, and then you can go and start seeing if it's available. So it's really all about doing your homework first and making sure that you know everything there is to know about the product you want to sell before you even start to approach suppliers, because otherwise you can waste a huge amount of time. Now, an example I've looked at is a 3-compartment lunchbox, and you can see the link here, which you just go and Google 3-compartment lunchbox, or sorry, go and search for 3-compartment lunchbox in Amazon. But that's the listing. And by looking at the way they've listed it, I can see that it comes in a pack of 10. I can see that it's got a tight sealing lid, or so they claim. I can see that it's insulating, so it keeps food hot and cold, that it's microwave weight, and the compartments have got different capacities. Now, the benefits are that it fits into a cooler or a fridge, that it's leak-proof, that it cleans well in a dishwasher. So those are the sorts of things you're looking for there. And in the reviews and comments, I noted that there was some initial instance of lid breakage. Was it good enough for good portions of food? Was it deep enough for good portions of food? Was it durable? How long was it going to last? Did the product that was shipped match the image that was in the listing? Was it durable in the freezer? It's fine in the fridge, but could you freeze the contents that are in it? And, does it seal well? Or does it leak if you put it on its side? So these are the sorts of things that came up in the comment. And by creating a checklist of all these items, then you'll actually be ready to go and start looking for those, those particular features and benefits in the product that you want somebody else to manufacture and produce for you that you're going to sell in Amazon. So having got all that together, you're then ready to start looking for a supplier. But it is important to go through this process first to make sure you've got all that information before you waste time running around looking after suppliers. So that's it for this video, screening a potential product. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you again very soon in another video.